Hello everyone, thank you because you watch my video now. Today already I go make for you chicken curry. This is my personal recipe. We can go see this together. I have 500 gram chicken fillet, this thigh, and we have here red paprika. This is green onion, but if you not have, you can use normal onion, but a small one. This is half bowl garlic, one tomato, and this is the 3 herbs always the Egyptian use, the coriander and dill and parsley. We have this is a spoon like every time, half a spoon salt, half a spoon black pepper, 1 spoon curry oil, sunflower oil, vinegar, and 1 hot pepper. If you can eat spicy, sometimes people not like spicy thing in the food like that. Okay, I go already cut everything and come back for you. Yes, already I make everything done. I cut everything, and also I cut the chicken like small, and cut everything. Okay, we already go. I already bring this part in a chicken because this is taste more better, have more flavor in. Okay, we take the oil. This is still a new bottle. Yes. Okay, do here something like 4 spoon oil. And after that we go down with the onion. And the paprika. This helps last the sink. And also we go with the hot pepper and go with garlic also. And بالكاري down. And we start cook this all together like that. After that you go with the chicken. And make also like a middle fire. Okay, and go now with the black pepper. Yeah. It smells too nice. Yummy, yummy. And I do the whether it's sour. Oh, this one's really good. Sometimes not easy. This is like half a spoon, yeah? Just nothing. And not you feel any sour taste inside. This is also, this dish not take time and taste very nice. And also you can eat it with basmati rice. This is tasty very nice together. Also now you start to go with tomato. We already now do everything inside. Only the herbs. The herbs, last thing we do. The herbs and salt. Okay, this is take something like 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes, I come back. Okay, this is now after 10 minutes. This look like that. We start to do the herbs and do the salt in. This is the salt. This also the herbs. Start with like that. This is a smell very lucky. Oh, very nice. And you leave it something like 6-7 minutes. Okay, now this done. I go already to this nice blade. Now this is done. Now we'll start. This is just very nice. Okay, we now done. Please not forget to support my channel with like and subscribe, and I see you next dish.